Have you ever paused mid-bite to ponder the incredible journey your food has undertaken to reach your plate? From humble beginnings as a seed or a newborn animal, each ingredient embarks on a complex odyssey, traversing fields, factories, and continents before gracing your table. This intricate process, often taken for granted, is a testament to human ingenuity, a delicate dance between nature and technology. Let us embark on a culinary adventure, tracing the path of our sustenance from farm to fork. Our exploration begins with the very origins of our food, the farms and fields where life springs from the earth. Our journey commences in the heartland of food production, the farm. Here, amidst rolling fields and verdant pastures, farmers dedicate their lives to cultivating the earth and nurturing the plants and animals that nourish us. From the first seed sown to the final harvest, their days are filled with a symphony of labor, a constant interplay with the rhythms of nature. Farmers face a multitude of challenges, from unpredictable weather patterns to fluctuating market prices, yet their resilience and unwavering commitment ensure a steady supply of food for our tables. Modern technology plays an increasingly vital role in supporting farmers in their endeavors. The journey continues as the fruits of the farmer's labor are ready for harvest. Fields of golden wheat sway in the breeze, orchards laden with ripe fruit beckon, and livestock reach their prime. The harvest is a time of intense activity, a race against time to gather the bounty before it spoils. Combines rumble through fields, their blades slicing through stalks of grain while nimble hands pluck fruits and vegetables from their vines. Once harvested, the raw ingredients embark on a transformative journey, often involving processing and packaging. Our food, now processed and packaged, embarks on an extensive journey, often traversing vast distances to reach our plates. This journey is a marvel of modern logistics and technology. From trucks and trains to ships and airplanes, a complex network of transportation systems ensures that food from all corners of the globe arrives at our local supermarkets. Each mode of transport plays a crucial role in this intricate supply chain. Refrigerated containers maintain optimal temperatures, preserving the freshness and quality of perishable goods during their long voyages. These advanced systems are essential for transporting items like dairy, meat, and fresh produce. The globalization of the food system has made it possible to enjoy a diverse array of foods year-round, regardless of our location. This access to global cuisine enriches our culinary experiences and broadens our palates. We can savor tropical fruits in the dead of winter and enjoy exotic spices from distant lands. These delights, once rare and seasonal, are now commonplace in our kitchens. However, this globalized system also raises concerns about the environmental impact of transporting food over long distances. The extensive travel required for these goods contributes significantly to pollution and resource consumption. The carbon emissions associated with food miles contribute to climate change, highlighting the need for more sustainable transportation solutions. Innovations like solar-powered trucks and electric cargo ships are steps in the right direction. The journey of food is a testament to human ingenuity and the interconnectedness of our globalized world. It reflects our ability to overcome geographical barriers and bring the world's bounty to our tables. Section 5. Market Magic from Wholesale to Retail. After its long journey, our food finally arrives at its destination, the marketplace. From bustling wholesale markets to brightly lit supermarkets, these hubs of commerce connect producers and consumers, bringing a vast array of food products within our reach. Supermarkets offer a dazzling display of goods, from fresh produce and pantry staples to prepared meals and gourmet delicacies. Farmers markets, on the other hand, provide a direct link to local producers, offering fresh, seasonal produce often picked just hours before. These vibrant community gathering places foster a sense of connection between consumers and the people who grow their food. Section 6. Consumer Crossroads, the Power of Choice. As consumers, we stand at a crucial juncture in the food journey. Our choices, seemingly mundane, hold immense power to shape the future of food production and consumption. By making informed decisions about what we buy and eat, we can influence the entire food system, from the practices of farmers to the policies of governments. Every purchase is a vote, a statement of our values and priorities. Do we prioritize convenience and affordability, opting for processed foods and imported goods? Or do we prioritize sustainability and ethical considerations, seeking out locally sourced produce and supporting farmers who adhere to environmentally friendly practices? These choices have profound implications for the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. Section 7. The last bite, minimizing food waste. As our culinary journey nears its end, we arrive at a critical juncture, the issue of food waste. From farm to fork, significant amounts of food are lost or discarded, representing a tremendous waste of resources and a missed opportunity to nourish those in need. Food waste occurs at every stage of the food chain, from spoilage during transportation and storage to consumer leftovers and discarded produce. Reducing food waste is a crucial step towards building a more sustainable food system. By implementing simple strategies in our homes such as planning meals, storing food properly, and utilizing leftovers creatively, we can significantly reduce the amount of food we throw away. Section 8. A Future Feast Innovation in Food Production. The future of food holds immense potential for innovation and transformation. As the global population continues to grow and climate change poses increasing challenges to agriculture, the need for sustainable and resilient food systems becomes ever more urgent. Fortunately, a wave of innovation is sweeping through the food sector, offering promising solutions to address these challenges. Vertical farming, utilizing stacked layers of crops grown indoors under controlled environments, offers a potential solution for urban food production, reducing transportation costs and minimizing the need for land and water. Section 9. The Global Food Web, Interconnectedness and Impact. The journey of food extends far beyond our local communities and national borders, traversing oceans and continents. It is a global phenomenon, connecting us to people and places across continents, creating a vast network of exchange and interaction. The choices we make in our kitchens have ripple effects throughout the world, impacting farmers, ecosystems, and economies across the globe. Every ingredient we use tells a story of its own. The global food web is a complex tapestry of interconnectedness, highlighting the interdependence of nations and the shared responsibility for creating a sustainable food future. This intricate web binds us all together. The increasing demand for certain food products in developed countries can have profound consequences for developing nations, affecting their resources and livelihoods. For example, the demand for palm oil has led to deforestation in Southeast Asia, destroying habitats and displacing indigenous communities, altering their way of life. Similarly, the demand for certain fish species has led to overfishing and the depletion of fish stocks in many parts of the world, threatening marine biodiversity. Understanding the global implications of our food choices empowers us to make more informed and responsible decisions. By being mindful, we can contribute to a more sustainable and equitable food system for everyone. Section 10. Cultivating Consciousness, Ethical Considerations. As we reflect on the journey of food, it is essential to consider the ethical dimensions of food production and consumption. The treatment of animals in factory farms, the working conditions of farm workers, and the impact of agricultural practices on the environment are all ethical considerations that demand our attention. Our choices as consumers have a direct impact on these issues, shaping the ethical landscape of the food system. By supporting animal welfare initiatives, choosing products from farms that prioritize fair labor practices, and advocating for policies that protect the environment, we can contribute to a more ethical and compassionate food system. Cultivating consciousness about the ethical implications of our food choices empowers us to make decisions that align with our values and promote a more just and sustainable world. Section 11. Food for Thought, a Sustainable Plate. Our journey through the food system concludes with a call to action, a call to build a more sustainable plate, one that respects the environment and promotes health. The choices we make about what we eat have a profound impact on the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. Every meal is an opportunity to make a difference. By embracing sustainable food practices, we can create a food system that nourishes both people and the planet. Reducing food waste, choosing locally sourced produce, supporting sustainable agriculture, and being mindful of our food choices, and minimizing our consumption of resource-intensive foods are all steps we can take to build a more sustainable plate. These actions not only benefit the environment but also enhance our health and well-being. These choices, seemingly small, can collectively create a ripple effect throughout the food system, driving the transformation towards a more sustainable future. Every small step counts. The journey of food is a journey of discovery, a journey of interconnectedness, and a journey of hope. It connects us to the earth and to each other. By embracing the principles of sustainability and making conscious choices about what we eat, we can create a future where food is a source of nourishment, community, and environmental stewardship. Together, we can make a difference, one plate at a time.